Congratulations if you've made some money off of Palo Alto today. We ended the week at $282.09, up more than 5%. To the north side from where we are takes us to roughly 310.93. Another level of resistance, 341.43. And note this gap that closes out at 364.88. And at 4 standard deviations, 372.37. To the south side, back at the middle of the trend, will take us to this gap fill at roughly 247.14. Negative 2 standard deviations and another level of support, 190.51, 160.98, and 130.15 is another level of support and a potential buy-in area. A couple of days ago, Trader Murat messaged me and he said that he thought this stock was very attractive. 2 days ago he did. And he said it's down 20%. It's on sale. It reminded him of Nvidia when it was in the 130s in 2022 and nobody wanted to buy it, he said. And so he thinks there is a potential turnaround for this company and that it is on sale, but the 1-year price target is 334.35, an 18.5% return from where we are, and the forecast above that 405. So if you can dollar cost average or get it down even cheaper, that would be amazing. Look for gap opportunities to the south side and then wait to possibly get in when it fills. So go on to the daily, the weekly, the monthly, and you can see that I like to scoop things up on the monthly, and we are turning down on the monthly. The weekly, down. The daily, turning up. So on the daily time frame, we are at support with this huge gap to the upside that takes us to 2 standard deviations. Of course, it's going to take a while to get there. This is a long-term play, but obviously the potential is there to close this gap. So that price target at 334 would take us to right about there, just above the middle of the trend. Now the stock that I want to also go over that I took a trade on is EBIXQ. I've traded this many times in the past. First, your levels for Tuesday. We ended at 125, up 13%. The day's low, 101. The day's high, 135. Where are we? We are right here. I've marked this out so many times, it's hard to tell. All right, to the north side takes us to resistance at 133. 146 and 158. To the south side, back at the middle of the trend and the baseline and support, 107, 81 cents, 68 cents, and 56 cents. This is a very risky stock. It tanked in the past, and now we're in the, I don't know, what is this? The 48-cent range all the way to the $32 range. That's the big, like a huge fall from grace. But I bought in here at 99 cents when the stock tanked again. I never caught it here. And so I decided just to get in, and I could have gotten out at this level, but stayed in it. And we slowly went down, grinded down along the middle of the channel, and then bounced up today to resistance, and we made it to 135. What happened is I forgot to go and check my sell limit order, which is what I typically try to do the night before, and that way I'm up to date on the channels and give myself the best possible return. And I forgot to do that, but I got stopped out at a previous price that I set it for at 132. So we're close here, but other times I have missed out tremendously. But for this one, I'm up 33%. Now we are at resistance. I will no longer buy this. It does not look attractive to me right now until we fall back into this range or that it shows there's a reversal. I still do own some shares right here where it tanked on me. See this massive gap down? So then we gapped up. So I anticipated this to fill, and it did. So let's remove that, 121. And when I bought this, I was shooting for this gap fill, but it crashed on me. So at this level of 119, I will wait to sell it at roughly 249. This will be a longer trade for me. So if it goes down, I'll dollar cost average some more into this play. As you can see, all my lines, oh, and there's a major gap play here at 496. That's a long ways off. Earnings is coming up on March 1st. And I think, let me flip this over. Yeah, let's just go to the 15-minute. Look at how wonky the linear looks. Yeah, that's that price target. But that's it. On the 15-minute, it looks like the RSI is, what is it? It's hard to see. Turning up. On the daily, we are also curling up. So hopefully better days ahead for EBIX, because this thing has whipped me around big time. That does it for me. Thank you so much for watching and have a great weekend. Let me fix this real quick. There we go.